Matthew, Mark, Luke, John. Acts and Epistle to the Romans. 1st and 2nd Timothy. Titus and Philemon. Hebrews, James. 1st and 2nd Thessalonians. 1st and 2nd Timothy. Titus and Philemon. Hebrews, James. Hebrews, James. 1st and 2nd Peter. 1st, 2nd, 3rd John. Jude and Revelation.
Yay! The smartest Bailey in the world! Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.